Yo guys, welcome back to another one. My name is Ebuji, in case you don't know, and if you're new in this channel, you're highly welcome. So today I am in All Saints Cathedral, Onitsha. As you can see, I used to see on media, especially on these CNN, BBC News, all that kind of stuff. So I used to see like a bunch of tourists when they do visit like some cathedrals in France, European countries and all that. So I decided like we have something like this. So let me just make a quick video about this cathedral and let you guys see there are some places and some things like this here in Onitsha, and I hope you guys will really enjoy this one. So what made me pick up this cathedral, like I think there are two cathedrals here in Onitsha. This one is an Anglican cathedral, the other one is a Holy Trinity, which is the Catholic cathedral. So what made me pick up this one is like I love this building, like I love the architecture of this building, I love the texture of the building, the color and everything about the building is quite different from what I've seen so far in Onitsha. Whenever I pass this cathedral, like I keep on staring and gazing. Actually, this is my first time being like very close to the church and all that. Let me give you guys a quick video of this thing, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All Saints Cathedral, Onitsha is the seat of the Anglican Diocese on the Niger. The design of the main building is largely rectangular in structure with semi-parabolic arches constructed from concrete and iron stone. The first building to be completed was the Lady Chapel in 1952. The other structures built included a rectangular transeptal tower oblong in shape. Planning of the cathedral began in 1946 after the World War II. A site was chosen overlooking the Niger bridge and close to the river market in the city. So unfortunately guys, I couldn't film inside the church because the church was locked. Because they want to keep it out from the worshippers, so they don't want to let anybody inside the church for now. So because of the coronavirus, so the church is also locked down to avoid people getting inside there to worship. So guys, I think that's a wrap up for today, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, you already know what to do. Hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will see you on the next one. God